Want to know how to use the classic editor plugin in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you are under your site dashboard. And now once you're there, here you can see various options. Now right here, just simply hit towards plugin and sorts of for classic editor. Now once you're there, here you can see classic editor tool, so you can just simply select it and activate it. So what it does is it will just simply replace your current Gutenberg plugin that should be by default. So simply select upgrade and activate, and then type in your credentials, your payment details, and you will be done. Now once you're there, just simply hit towards posts and then just simply select any title of your current ongoing post. And now the process is simply same. It is as same as the Gutenberg plugin block. So you can just simply select any blank space, and once it is, just simply select this plus icon right here where you can add various paragraph, images, bold italic texts, and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.